In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and connect items automatically in Monday.com so you can streamline your workflows and eliminate repetitive manual work. If you're managing multiple boards and constantly copying information from one board to another, this automation will save you a huge amount of time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to trigger an item in one board and automatically create a connected item in another board. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is automatically create an item in another board using Monday.com automations. Start by opening the board where your process begins. This is your source board, meaning this is where the status change or trigger will happen. Once you're inside the board, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on Automations. This will open the Automation Center, where you can build rules that run automatically in the background. Inside the Automation section, click on Create Custom Automation. Monday.com provides pre-built recipes, which are essentially automation templates. In the search bar, look for a recipe that says, "When status changes to something, create an item in board." This is the exact recipe we want because it allows a status change in one board to trigger the creation of an item in a completely different board. Now let's configure it. First, click on the status field in the recipe to choose your trigger. For example, you might select Status and then choose a specific label, such as Approved. What this means is that whenever an item's status changes to Approved, the automation will activate. Next, choose the target board. This is the board where the new item will be created. For example, you might select a board called Onboarding Tasks, Client Projects, or Fulfillment Pipeline. Make sure you select the correct board because this is where your automatically generated item will appear. After selecting the target board, you'll need to define the item structure. This includes the item name and any relevant column mappings like owner, due date, or other key fields. You can map data from the original item so that information carries over automatically. For example, you can set the new item name to match the original item name, assign the same owner, or copy specific column values. This ensures both boards stay aligned with manual duplication. Once everything is configured, click Create Automation. From now on, whenever the selected status changes to your chosen trigger, Monday.com will instantly create a new item in the other board. No manual work required. The result is a fully automated connection between your workflow stages. This is especially powerful for processes like approvals, onboarding, sales handoffs, or task delegation between departments. Instead of notifying someone and asking them to create a new task, the system does it for you automatically and consistently every single time. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation to create and connect items automatically in Monday.com. If this tutorial helped you understand how to streamline your boards and reduce repetitive work, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.